Hello, well, hi guys, it's Freddie, right? We're going down the night market full of surprises. You never know what you're going to find there, you know, for all lovely different food, exotic things, and we'll have a bit of a fuss around it. Behind me you can see a bit of playing chess here, a bit of everything. Let's make our way down there, and it's right in the bust of the middle of the night market now, guys. I'll tell you, they open at 4, I'll tell you, they're really late in the evening it is. They usually shut about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, so they probably get everything together here. I know I've got a girlfriend that works here, and they usually get the place smashed together about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and they're here to almost 2 in the morning, putting it back out, and then it start again the next day. Anyway, you want to have a little breeze down here. We can look at all the different types of food they sell and all the touristy stuff as well. Let's get in there and have a look. Mama. Yum, sugar coated with honey, I think as well. Apple and strawberry and pineapple. Fresh juice drinks with ice, orange, lemon, coconut, passion fruit, strawberry and banana, apple and juice. Really, oh yum. Really guys, you got to taste them when you're there. What we got is some durian. Oh my god guys, don't ever take it into the hotel, you're going to be really in trouble with the car. It stinks really bad. Oh my god, oh taste it. It's really beautiful. Have a watch of your dream. Rolex, Cartier, anything you want, you can have it. All for a tenner. Don't go through the customers, you get 3 years in Nick. How about that, guys? Yes, look at that little shiny little watch on your hands. Oh my god. You always wanted that Rolex, that gold watch, all for a tenner. Oh my god, guys. What a beauty. They've got some really lovely watches. I've been in that shop quite a few times. Let's go anyway. A fish of your choice. We can have lobster, snapper. Look at that sardine, prawns there. You sit down, what you do, you tell them which one you want. You can sit down in the evening, have a lovely meal there at the back here. You can see that there. It's all lovely and barbecued. Lovely and fresh as well. Straight off the fishing boat. Look at that, guys. A big look at the market, how busy it is too. Anyway, see you in the restaurant, fellas. Pick and mix sweets. They are gorgeous, guys, but it's like weighing gold. You know, some reason in the market, I think it's because they're imported. Really very expensive. We all love a sweet, and we all have a sweet too. Yeah, they are nice too, but you know, you'd be weighing your pockets out. Well, it's how much they're going to charge you, I don't know. You know, it's not extraordinary, but it's dear. Anyway, have a look at all those. I'm sure the kids will love it, and you will too. Munching through them. Thai massage. Well, that's nice. So you want it, you're bored to death here. It's outside, guys, and it's the same price as if you go in the shop. Really very valuable. It's better to go in the shop, guys. Much cooler. Your aircon, aircon, bloody. Got fans on you. It's a little bit cheaper, but myself, I'd rather go inside the shop and get the air. At the top of the market, guys, you can walk along this street. I'll show you. Hold on. Walk down there, there's loads of other stuff, coffee shops, durian, quite a busy night market here. It's open for about 6 or 7 hours every night of the week. And we've got a little tuk-tuk here too. I want to show you behind me. Yeah, if you want to get a tuk-tuk home, you've had enough. You want to go in the car, back to your hotel, back to your house, wherever you go. Let's get back down the other end, guys. I hope that was effective for you. You can see something what you got there. Hua Hin night market, don't forget, it starts about 5. And you usually shut about midnight, and believe me, these people, they don't close up, everything has to be packed away till about 2 o'clock. So what do you think about that, guys? Do you think that was a good night market? You know, it's worth a visit. If there ain't nothing else, if you've got a bit of spare time, you're down there on holiday, or maybe you just come down this way from some other part of Thailand, it's worth a visit. You know, there's quite a lot of things going on here. Bars, restaurants, you know, all the things you want. Anyway, we'll see you again tomorrow, guys.